welcome back, my peeps. So today I was thinking we could make a quick little strawberry shortcake. It's very easy and simple. You're gonna need some spackle, of course. You're gonna need a cake round. I took 3 round foam cake boards and just glued them together. These are not from Dollar Tree. These are bigger than the ones from Dollar Tree, but you can use the ones from Dollar Tree. I'm just using what I have. I had this already done. I was going to make something with it, and I never did, so I'm just going to use this. Okay, I have a cute little turntable. This little turntable, I got it from Target. You know, the Bullseye area, the Bullseye Target area, formerly known as the Target Dollar Spot. And it was only $3, and it's perfect for making our cute little like the little mini cakes fit perfectly on there so we can decorate. I don't know if I'm gonna need it, but I really want to use it because I'm gonna put this piece of silicone mat. I got this cute little silicone mat from Dollar Tree. It comes in blue and pink, and it's perfect for a small craft, and it's perfect to hold your cake on your board. So that's what I'm gonna do with that, right? So you're also gonna need some of these strawberry slices. I'm gonna show you right now from Play Code 3. They just strawberry slices made out of, I guess this is polymer clay, I'm not sure, but anyways, you're gonna need like at least 2 bags of these, or a nice big bag to make this cake. But I have a discount code down under this video if you want to get some, okay? So, let's get started. I'm going to put my strawberry slices in here just so it can make it easier for me to grab when I'm ready. Because sometimes this spackle, it dries fast, and I'm not in the mood for this spackle today. But anyways, I'm going to put the sprinkles over there. So, you are going to take your cakes, your cake form, and you're gonna put some spackle on it. This is just regular white spackle, and I hope I have enough. Oh, gotta make a mess, right? I hope I have enough. I'm gonna try to make it stretch. So here we go. So you're just gonna take your cake form. I'm gonna move this over here for a minute. You're going to take your cake form and put this down here. I don't want to dirty my table. So you're just going to take your spackle and you're going to spread it on your form. You know, you don't need to make a thick layer. You do want to cover it. So give it that cake look. Oop, I almost dropped it. You know, give it the frosting look. That's what I mean, not the cake look. That's what happens when you're thinking and talking. So I'm gonna put like a little design on it, but nothing like really extravagant or anything. I'm gonna try to keep it as simple as possible. I haven't made a cake in a while, and you know, it's spring. I think, is this strawberry season or is this summer strawberry? I think summer is the strawberry season. Because, you know, every fruit has its season. So, that's when they have the strawberry festivals and stuff, right? In the summer. Right? So, I'm just going to do a quick little design on here. I'm just going to go like this, because it's easy. Let's scrape all this icing off of the edge first. And when you do your design, try to keep your stick clean. It doesn't have to be perfect or anything. Okay? And then I'm going to cover the top. don't scrape too much of the spackle off that you leave a bald spot. Okay, we don't want that. Just lightly scrape the top of the frosting spackle. I don't want to call it frosting bit. Y'all know what I'm saying. Now go back around. Make sure you clean those edges up. Get the edges right, and then let me close my spackle up for right now. I don't want it to dry out. You're going to get your strawberry slices, and you're just gonna start putting them like right on the edge. Okay, this. Make sure you press it in there and work fast because the spackle starts drying. Okay, just so you gotta kind of just make sure you put good pressure on it. Because, oop, I was about to put this strawberry all upside down. The spackle does dry fast. It gets like a skin, and then it won't let you stick anything onto it. So you gotta work fast, okay? You know what happens when you try to work fast? Everything goes wrong. That's what happens. Okay. Oh. Come on. Stop it. Don't press it too hard that it slides like I just did. Now the strawberries are not going to be all the same size because when you slice a strawberry up, they're not all the same size either. So don't worry about that. Okay, just get the strawberries on there. Trying to work this. Look, I'm about to put this strawberry upside down again. Just trying to work fast. I don't want to mess up my... And then we're going to put a border around it. But first, we got to do the top. So we could put all the borders on top at this. I mean, all the borders at the same time. It's hard sometimes to talk and think. Alright, I got a little space here. I don't know if this... I'm going to have to spread these strawberries out. But that could be my back. And that, look, see, you got all your slices, right? And then, move these strawberries out the way. And I'm going to put this on here. And I want to put, yikes, I can't even talk. Spackle on the top. Ugh, wait. I'm gonna put a stick in the middle just to have something to hold on to. Uh-oh, I don't know if this is gonna be a good idea. I don't want it to spin just yet. I need to have a little bit of control over this. Make sure you get those edges. Like I said, you don't need a lot. You just want to cover it up because you don't want to see the foam underneath, okay? If it was like a really super smooth foam, I wouldn't even paint it. I mean, I wouldn't even spackle it. I would paint it. But this is not like really super smooth. You can see texture underneath it. So I'd rather have it look like cake texture than foam. So then I'm just going to go like this. I'm going to come down this way. Just to give it some texture at the top. Kind of make it look like the lines at the bottom, okay? And then let me clean my edge of my lid. Ugh, of course I freaking banged the thing into it. Ugh, don't you hate that? Alright, let me get my wet wipe right here real quick. Wipe my hands. And then we're going to take the strawberries and you're going to put them, oopsie, on this edge. Okay? That's why I say you're going to need a lot of these strawberries. If you want to do it. I mean, there are tutorials online on how to make a cane to make strawberry slices, but I don't have the patience for that. And I'm sure you could probably paint them some way. Like I said, I just don't, I don't have the patience for it. Like, I really don't. I just want to craft like what's in my head and not worry about. Because you know, these things, you ever seen somebody make a clay king? Go online and search, go on YouTube and search strawberry clay cane. It's C-A-N-E. Honey, that's a work of art all by itself. Like the way they put the clay a certain way to make it look like a strawberry. Because each one of those lines that you see in here, each one of these lines that you see here, that's a different layer of clay. This is not painted on. This is layered. This is layered to look like a strawberry. It's a work. It is amazing the way they do it. They make lemon slices. It's amazing. Some of them are pretty easy. Like making a lemon slice or making a peppermint. Those are pretty easy. I've done those before, but I ain't trying to make no strawberry. A strawberry cane. It's not easy at all. I'm not. No. But go check it out so you can see what I'm talking about. I need a small strawberry to fit right in that spot. Let's see if I find one. Kind of just have to stuff it in there. So this, you see the top? It's covered with strawberries now. And the stick is in your eye. But I'm going to leave the stick on there. Let me cut it down a little bit. Maybe I could cut it down a little bit. It's kind of tall. I don't need it to be that tall. Okay. So now I'm going to get my spackle. Hold on, let me get these strawberries out of the way. Excuse me. So now I'm going to put some spackle. Got to make sure I get this cake on here right because I didn't make a cake board. I'm going to try to see if I go to Hobby Lobby has the paper on sale this week, and I'm going to see if they have if they put out any strawberry themed paper so I can make a cake board. Because I don't have strawberry. So I got my cup here. I'm going to fill with spackle. So I can put my border on. Yeah, I need to add a little bit of water to this. Always keep my little spray water bottle. Just so I can add. Sometimes when you need that little bit of water. Here. Mix this up a little bit. Okay, I think that's good because I don't want to make it too thin where it won't hold its shape. That is not what we want. So I'm gonna fill my bag up. If you have a hard time filling up your bag, put it in a cup and then fill it up. Dropped a whole bunch of spackle on my table. I'm gonna try to fill this up as much as I can because when I don't, then I gotta and you can always squeeze it back out. Okay, I put everything I have in here. So let me wipe this off because I spilled a whole bunch of spackle on it. And get my bag ready. Let's try. Let me see what tip I'm using. Here is tip is, I can't even see the name of it. Oh boy. I think it's a 1M. It's the same one we use all the time. Nothing different. So I'm just going to go around this border here. I'm just going to go around the border. And I'm going to go on the bottom and put a border. Is basically what I'm trying to say. I want to make sure I have this on here good, because it's going to stay there for a minute until it dries a little bit, because like I said, I don't have a cake board, so I don't want to move it around too much until I find my strawberry. I don't know if this tip is going to be too big because I don't want it to really cover up. See, this tip might be too big. Okay guys, I ended up changing the tip out because the 1M is too big. I don't want it to cover up my strawberries. I want my strawberries to be seen, because what's the point of putting them on there if you can't see them? You know what I mean? So I changed it to a tip 21, which is definitely much smaller. It's still a star tip, but it's a smaller star tip. Okay, because I want to see my strawberries. So now let's see. I'm not doing anything fancy. I'm just putting a border on, okay? Nothing fancy. Just a plain border. And I'm going to do the same thing on the top. Because this is a small cake. I can't have the border be too big, you know? Because it won't look right. And y'all already know I have issues. See how that silicone mat works perfect? The cake ain't moving, it ain't going nowhere. Right? Because I want to see them strawberries. Shoot. What's the point of putting the strawberries on if you can't see them? Let me see, where's my front? I like this right here. So I'm going to start back here. one thing about when you put your spackle in a container that already had old spackle, you got to be careful because some of that dry spackle clogs up your tip. And that can cause problems. Now, if you want, you can put some, what's that called? You know, the K-cups to make it look like a crumble or something, if you want to. But I'm going to put some glitter. Got my glitter here. And I'm just going to sprinkle some on there. Although, oh, I forgot, I can't pick it up. What? Look, see, I swear, I just, look, I done took a whole chunk of the thing out. It never fails. Never, 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 never fails for me. I'm just gonna, I just want a little bit of sparkly on it. And then I'm gonna take this out the middle. Just twist it and it comes up. And I'm gonna put a swirl in the middle, and then I'm gonna put a big strawberry in it. Like this. Which is my front again? And then put a big old strawberry in it like that. Put some more glitter because this part don't have no glitter. And guys, that's our strawberry shortcake. I can't lift it up off of this thing, but look, it's so pretty. What I'm doing now, I could just spin it, right? Duh. Look. See a strawberry shortcake. You don't have to do it like this. Instead of putting all those strawberry slices, you could just make, you know, dollops and put strawberries in each one. Like that. I just wanted it to do it like this. Because I've been thinking about it for a while. I actually made a mini one. That's where I got this idea from. I made a mini one, and I liked how it looked, so I said, let me make a big one. But I was going to make it with you guys so you can see it. It's so cute. Perfect for your spring tier trays, your strawberry tier trays. Some of these borders is just a little big. I don't think I mixed it too good. And also, it got clogged up because it had old spackle in it. So I had to squeeze it. But this is so pretty. Look at it. See it? So, go on and make you one. Bro, I'm going crazy. If you want to get some of these from Play Code 3, like I said, the discount code is under the description of this video. And if you spend $20, you get a discount, 15% off discount. And if you spend $35, you get your discount plus free shipping. So check them out. They have lots of fruit shaped sprinkles, like lemon slices and lime slices, banana slices. They have a good variety, and they come smaller sizes in this too if you want that. So guys, until the next video, stay safe, stay stay healthy, keep crafting, and make you one of these strawberry cakes. Or, you know, something like it. Alright, guys? Talk to you soon. God bless. Bye.